Let us discuss about monocot seed structure. Here in monocot seeds like rice, wheat, maize plants, here only one cotyledon is present. So mainly here seed coat and embryo, only two parts are present. Here seed coat, here if you see the wheat or rice, here seed, in the rice or wheat, the fruit is dry indehiscent fruit. So in this fruit, the pericarp is very thin and it is fused with the seed coat. Pericarp is fused with the seed coat. So completely it is fused. It is pericarp and seed coat both are fused. Next, inside the major part is occupied by endosperm. So endosperm is present here. So outer layer is pericarp. Here seed coat. So both are fused. The major portion is endosperm. So in monocot seeds, the endosperm is occupying the major part and it is nutritious or storing food material. So endosperm is present in almost all monocot seeds. So endospermic seeds. These are endospermic seeds or albuminous endospermic seeds. Here endosperm is outer layer. So the endosperm is covered by or outer layer. It is called as it is proteinaceous. The proteinaceous layer is called as aileron layer. Outer layer of the endosperm, it is called as aileron layer. Endosperm is covered by aileron layer. It is also part of endosperm but outer layer. Generally endosperm is triploid. It is also a triploid. So due to the double fertilization, the endosperm develops. Endosperm is triploid. Triploid means 3 sets of chromosomes are present or 3 genomes are present. In aileron layer also, here 3 sets of chromosomes are present. So it is endosperm storing food material. And in the groove of endosperm, here embryo is present. Here, embryo. Here it is embryo. Embryo is it is located or situated in the groove of endosperm, and it is only having the embryo is having only one cotyledon. Only one cotyledon. That cotyledon is called as scutellum. The cotyledon is shield shaped and very large. Only one cotyledon is present. This cotyledon is called as scutellum. And in the embryonal axis, here plumule, radicle are present. Plumule, it is the plumule and it is radicle. Here plumule and it is radicle. So plumule is covered by here one sheath-like structure. Here radicle is covered by also one sheath-like structure. The structures are, if we observe clearly here, It is cotyledon called as scutellum, and here plumule. It is a plumule. Plumule is covered by one sheath. Here one sheath is present. That sheath is called as, here this sheath is known as coleoptile. Plumule is protected by a sheath. That sheath is called as coleoptile. Coleoptile is observed in only monocot seeds, not in the dicot seeds. And here radicle, it is radicle, develops into root system, and it is covered by one sheath. So this sheath is called as coleorhiza. It is a protective sheath. And radicle and coleorhiza both are covered by a root cap. It is the embryo structure. This embryo structure, if we enlarge, so it is the embryo. So total seed structure, it is the seed. The seed is having one layer, pericarp. Pericarp and seed coat both are fused. So the type of fruit is caryopsis. In the caryopsis fruit, pericarp and seed coat both are fused, and major part is occupied by endosperm. Outer layer of the endosperm is alluron layer. Alluron layer is separating the embryo and endosperm. So it is embryo, it is endosperm. In the embryo, mainly two parts. It is embryonal axis, and only one cotyledon is present. So this cotyledon is called as scutellum. Cotyledon is called as one large shield-shaped cotyledon. It is called as scutellum, and it is a plumule. The plumule is covered by a sheath. Plumule develops into shoot system. It is covered by a protective sheath, that is coleoptile, and radicle is covered by coleorhiza. Radicle develops into root system, protected by coleorhiza, and both are covered by root cap. So here coleoptile and coleorhiza both are observed in only monocot embryos or monocot seeds. So this is the structure of monocot seed. So in dicot seeds, two cotyledons are present. In monocot seeds, only one cotyledon is present. Here these are some differences between the dicot seed and monocot seed. Mainly monocot seeds are here having endosperm. The endosperm is present. These are endospermic seeds.